I've been out here all day testing out the new Magpul furniture, and we're shooting it here on the SGL-31. So we're shooting a ton of corrosive 7 and 6 through it. People are always asking me, you know, how do you shoot that ammo? It'll ruin your gun. How do you clean it? So on and so forth. So I just wanted to make a quick video letting you guys know how we clean it after shooting a bunch of corrosive ammo. So we have water, which is the key ingredient to cleaning corrosive ammo. Basically, just let it sit there for a little bit, rinse all those corrosive salts out, and your rifle is clean and good to go. If you want, you can just test fire it and make sure that we're working just fine. Seems like it's good, but again, we just got corrosive salts in there, so we'll rinse it off one last time just to ensure that it is good and clean. And there you go. That's how you handle those corrosive salts.